Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
Yeah, fellow Biafrans, I apologize for the delay and the interruption. I was having issue with my Wi-Fi router and also drafting my address. Um, my dear people of Biafra, members, supporters of the Biafra Nations League (BNL), all allied groups in the Gulf of Guinea, I say to you all patriotic salute. I am Prince Will Richards, leader of the BNL. I come very briefly this afternoon with regrets and with a heavy heart to officially inform us of the invasion of our homeland by forces suspected to be operatives of the Rapid Intervention Battalion B, a combatant unit of the Cameroonian military stationed in our maritime borders of the Bakassi Peninsula, a peninsula in the eastern end of the Gulf of Guinea, formerly disputed between Nigeria and Cameroon, our two oppressors, with Nigeria as the leading oppressor. Few weeks back, federal troops were deployed to our areas of operations to clamp down on our group following an ultimatum we issued to the government to release all our people in detention and recognize our right to exist as a separate entity. They invaded our homes in search of our colleagues who are residents of border towns and the peninsula. Innocent people were molested and brutalized. Repeatedly, the same operatives of the Nigerian federal government are invading communities in Biafra land, especially in the hinterlands, that is the Igbo area, to burn our homes and kill our innocent people, accusing them of being members of the Eastern Security Network and the unknown gunmen. This is not the first, not the second, and not the third time we are faced with such intimidations, invasion, and attacks from forces within and across our borders. Recall that sometime in 2021, Cameroonian delegates were in Abuja for a joint border security session with the federal government shortly after reports that our members have pulled down the flag of the Republic of Cameroon from Abana, the former headquarters of Bakassi, and the subsequent destruction of their billboards, signposts, and other Cameroonian insignias. These actions, no doubt, was ordered by the leadership of BNL. This is because attempts were made severally to change names of our towns and villages in the non-motorable peninsula ceded to Cameroon by Nigeria. They imposed foreign names in the peninsula and regrouped our people under one subdivision or the other. For example, all the areas around Atabong East, Inemba, etc. were grouped as Idabato subdivision, while areas like Achibong, Akwabana, Akpankanya, etc. are called Isangele subdivision, Kombo subdivision, and Abedimo subdivision, respectively. These are Cameroonian names imposed on our people against their wish. These are strange names. These are foreign names imposed on the majority people of Efik, the Oron, and the Osakede people, who are the original natives. And the aboriginal inhabitants of Bakassi. Cameroon have only 10% of their citizens in the peninsula who are migrants, traders, and we have always welcomed visitors without posing threat to their existence. The people of the peninsula, the aboriginal inhabitants, the natives, the landlord of the peninsula per se, were not carried along when these towns were renamed. The emergency of BNL have recovered the identity of our people in the region. We have maintained that we will not respect maritime borders of the peninsula between these two artificial enemy countries of ours. It is our home. We don't need permission to move in and move out of our homeland. On the other hand, the Nigerian military are also after us, having invaded homes of some of our colleagues around Ikang and Ekurikang areas of the upland Bakassi. Of course, this is in line with their joint borders agreement in Abuja. But despite all their effort to stop us by scaring our supporters away from us, we have proved to them many times that we are formidable. Recall that on November 8, 2021, we seized control of the border entrance, the Welcome to Bakassi gate, and hoisted our flag in front of the entrance at both sides of the main gate. I applaud our gallant members for their doggedness. No group, both within Nigeria or in Cameroon, have summoned such courage to do what we have done. And of course, we're not going to tolerate strangers to come and create confusion in our land. It is clear that they are only in control of the main maritime borders, while we have established greater influence beyond their imagination. We have also taken charge of our waterways, communities, and creeks surrounding the peninsula. This invasion and killing of our members by Cameroon forces will definitely attract severe penalty, as we will not fail to respond accordingly. Fellow compatriots and supporters of the BNL family, let me also use this opportunity to remind us that our decision to block all border entrances which we declared initially that we will do to express support for the release of the leader of IPOB, Mr. Nnamdi Kanu, who was to appear in court as at then. Remain as it is. Many things happen on the ground, including calls and text messages from some IPOB hierarchy and notable family members who spoke to us and lamented that we shouldn't jeopardize the effort of the legal team and the option for political solution by embarking on what they tag militancy. Such comments were disappointing and disheartening, and of course discouraging that our top officials insisted we must back down to avoid receiving blames in the short run. But we don't think anybody owns the BNL. We are decisive and we don't work for anybody nor work to please any group, but we work for the general interest of the Biafran people. However, we have not dropped our strategies. We shall execute all our plans as stated as the opportunity comes up. This is guerrilla tactics and not a confrontational approach, as we do not have what it takes at the moment to come out face to face, to lock down borders, and also to face their forces. For some time, we have been appealing for financial support, but it seems people do misunderstand us, as if we don't have right to solicit for support of our people like other Biafrans are doing. Nothing is done without the support of the people, without proper funding. So I would like to say that you don't expect much from us or expect magic from us, but be rest assured that we will carry out our plans in our own little way based on what is available. And they are already feeling the heat at the border towns in the Gulf of Guinea, and will ensure that we frustrate every economic effort, international trade at sea and at borders until our demands are met. I thank you all for having your time. I am Prince Will Richard, leader of the BNL family. All hail Biafra.
So, my quality people, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Subscription is free. Please smash on that subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here, I said bye.